So today we are going to learn about triangles, but not just what they look like. We are going to learn how much space is inside a triangle. So that's called the area. So we'll come back to brainy bodies, and here we go. Alright, so we'll look into this example. Duke decided to cover a part of the garden with soil to grow some herbs. How much space will it occupy? So here we have to find the area. So let's imagine Duke wants to plant some herbs in his garden, but the space he has shaped is like a triangle. 2 meters along the bottom and 3 meters going up. He needs to know how much soil does he need to buy. To figure out that, we need to find the area of the triangle. So here's how we do it. We take the bottom side, that's called the base, and the side going straight up, that's called the height, and then we multiply them together and then divide by 2. So it's 2 into 3, which is equal to 6, and then 6 divided by 2, which is 3. That means Duke's herb patch has an area of 3 square meters, so he needs enough soil to cover 3 square meters. So we will learn exactly why we divided by 2 in the next few slides, but that's the basic idea. By end of this video, you'll be able to identify the parts of triangles, calculate the area of triangles, and also you'll be getting to know some real life examples and how does this triangle area thing works. Remember, area just means how much flat something covers. Like if you laid a blanket on the floor, the area is how much floor the blanket covers. So how do we find the area of Duke's herb patch? Triangle has two important parts we need to know: the base and the height. The base is the bottom line like the floor, and the height is the straight line going straight up from the base. Like a pole standing up perfectly straight, not leaning to the side. Remember, height always makes a right angle with the base. So here we go. Here's the magic formula. Area equals base into height divided by 2. For Duke's garden, the base is 2 meters and the height is 3 meters. Let's plug those numbers in. So we do 2 multiplied by 3, which is 6. Then we divide it by 2, which gives us 3. That means Duke's herb garden has an area of 3 square meters. And remember, area is always measured in squares, like m square meters, because we are covering flat space in two directions at once. Triangles don't look all the same. We have equilateral triangles, which is all sides are equal, and isosceles triangles, two sides are equal, and scalene triangles, no sides are equal. But guess what? No matter what triangle it is, we always find the base and the height the same way. And we always use the same formula to find the area. So, guys, I hope today y'all enjoyed the session, and also I hope y'all liked the video. Like, y'all might have got an idea what area of a triangle means, and I hope y'all can calculate the triangle area as well now.